Tibetan Plateau, the wild beauty of Central Asia, the highest and the largest plateau in the world, with a diverse flora and fauna, presenting one of the most beautiful showdown of the animal in the world. The guardian of Tibet, Tibetan Mastiff Dog, are chasing away the mother bear with two cubs, which were attacked by the livestock animal. In the altitude of 5,000 meters above sea level, the winter lasts longer in Tibet. She is hungry and searching for food. The flock of Tibetan mountain dog detect this bear family early. The livestock is safe for today, and they are grazing unconcerned in the pasture. The mixed culture of Tibet, with alpine sheep, goats, and domestic yak, spring has started to melt the snow. There is no boundary between domestic livestock and the wildlife in Tibet. Wildlife and farm animal share the same territory. This manner of life coexists for thousands of years. Up in the mountain, a wolf pack has surrounded the cow. They are chasing the animal, but the wolf pack doesn't seem interested in attack. It looks like they are not hungry, and they prefer playing together and let the animal to go. The dog in Tibet used to be bothered by the presence of the bear. Tibetan bear, it is the second most prevalent predator, which is responsible for the loss in livestock after the wolf. The wolf pack is the most difficult for the dog in Tibet. They are dangerous and well organized, and this time they challenge the pack of dogs, which they stand to protect the flock of sheep. There are 3 dogs against 7 wolves. It is the presence of the shepherd man that boosts the advantage of the dog and boosts the courage and make the wolves to run away. This female bear has 4 cubs to feed, and it comes close to the livestock. This bothers the dog, which is barking in leash. The watchdog has sensed the threat from the predator, and it's in high alert. A large pack of Himalayan wolves are gathered all members together. Winter has passed. They all look healthy. The new member is joining the pack, and the pack is testing. The young wolves should be submitted to the pack. That's the rules. There is no exception for the young member. They are large in number. Too many mouths to be fed. This makes them a dangerous threat for the farm animals. They are fast and agile, curious and hungry. Hunt like a shadow. Himalayan wolf remain undisputed and notorious for the most loss in livestock. This is everything for today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And see you in the next content. Bye bye and have a great day.